October is here. It's time for pumpkins. The air is crisp, the leaves are turning, and the excitement of the season is palpable. As the days grow shorter and the nights grow cooler, we know that Halloween is just around the corner. These bright orange gourds mean Halloween is coming. We see them everywhere. From bustling farmers markets to quaint neighborhood porches, pumpkins are the quintessential symbol of autumn. Their vibrant color and unique shapes bring a festive touch to any setting. They're on porches and in windows. They adorn our homes, adding a warm and welcoming glow. Whether they're perched on a doorstep or peeking out from a window, pumpkins are a delightful sight that signals the start of the holiday season. Pumpkins are not just for decoration, they hold a special place in our hearts and traditions. The act of carving pumpkins is a beloved activity that brings families and friends together. They are also for carving. With a little creativity and some simple tools, these humble gourds are transformed into works of art. The process of carving a pumpkin is a cherished ritual that has been passed down through generations. Kids love to make jack-o'-lanterns. The joy of creating a spooky or silly face is a highlight of the season. It's a time for imagination to run wild as children design their own unique jack-o'-lanterns. They scoop out the insides and carve spooky faces. The messy fun of removing the seeds and pulp is all part of the experience. And once the carving is done, the glowing faces of the jack-o'-lanterns light up the night with their eerie charm. Pumpkin patches are busy places in October. These vibrant fields are filled with families searching for the perfect pumpkin. The excitement of finding just the right one is a cherished part of the season. Families go to pick out their perfect pumpkins. It's a tradition that brings people together, creating memories that last a lifetime. The joy of wandering through the patch, examining each pumpkin, and finally making a choice is a special experience. It's fun to choose just the right one. Whether it's a big, round pumpkin for carving, or a small, unique one for decoration, there's a sense of satisfaction in finding the perfect match. Big or small, round or bumpy, there's a pumpkin for everyone. The diversity of pumpkins is truly amazing. Each one has its own character and charm, making the hunt for the perfect pumpkin an adventure in itself. So, as we embrace the spirit of Halloween, let's celebrate the humble pumpkin and all the joy it brings to our lives. Knowing when to pick a pumpkin is important. You want to make sure it's ripe. A ripe pumpkin will last longer. Check the color. A ripe pumpkin is deep orange. The stem should be hard and dry. Knock on the pumpkin. It should sound hollow. These signs mean the pumpkin is ready to be picked. Harvesting pumpkins is hard work, but it's also fun. The joy of seeing the fruits of your labor, the vibrant orange pumpkins, and the camaraderie among the workers make it a rewarding experience. It's a time when communities come together to celebrate the harvest season. Farmers use different methods to harvest their pumpkins. Depending on the size of the farm and the resources available, the techniques can vary widely. Some farms rely on traditional methods, while others incorporate modern technology to increase efficiency and reduce labor. Some farmers pick pumpkins by hand. This method is labor-intensive but allows for careful selection of the best pumpkins. Hand-picking ensures that each pumpkin is handled with care, reducing the risk of damage and ensuring that only the ripest and most perfect pumpkins make it to market. They carefully cut the stem with a sharp knife. This precision is crucial to prevent damage to the pumpkin and to ensure it stays fresh for longer. The skill and experience of the farmer play a significant role in this process, as a clean cut can make a big difference in the pumpkin's shelf life. Others use machines to help with the harvest. These machines can handle large volumes of pumpkins quickly and efficiently. They are especially useful for larger farms where manual harvesting would be impractical. The use of machinery can significantly speed up the process and reduce the physical strain on workers. The pumpkins are then loaded onto wagons. This step involves careful handling to avoid bruising the pumpkins. Workers often form assembly lines to pass the pumpkins along, ensuring a smooth and efficient loading process. The sight of wagons filled with bright orange pumpkins is a true symbol of the harvest season. They are taken to barns or markets to be sold. In barns, they are stored in a cool, dry place to keep them fresh until they are ready to be sold. At markets, the pumpkins are displayed attractively to catch the eye of potential buyers. The journey from the field to the market is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers. Pumpkin patches are more than just pumpkins. Many farms offer fun activities for families. Kids can enjoy hay rides to the pumpkin patch. They can get lost in corn mazes. Some farms even have petting zoos. There's something for everyone at a pumpkin patch. It's a great way to celebrate fall. Carving pumpkins is a favorite Halloween tradition. It's a chance to be creative. First you scoop out the insides. Then you carve a face into the pumpkin. You can make it scary, silly, or spooky. Don't forget to put a candle inside. When it's lit, your jack-o'-lantern will glow. Pumpkins are not just for decoration. They are also delicious. You can use pumpkin in many recipes. Pumpkin pie is a classic fall treat. Pumpkin bread is another favorite. And don't forget pumpkin spice lattes. Pumpkin adds a warm, comforting flavor to any dish. Enjoy the taste of fall with these pumpkin treats. Many pumpkin patches are family-owned. They have been passed down through generations. These farms work hard to preserve traditions. They want families to enjoy the fall season. They create a fun and festive atmosphere. Visiting a family farm supports local businesses. It's a great way to celebrate the season. Sustainable farming, caring for the land. Farmers are finding ways to grow pumpkins sustainably. This means they are protecting the environment. They use methods that conserve water and reduce waste. Some farmers use organic practices. This means they don't use harmful pesticides. Sustainable farming helps to protect our planet. It also produces healthy and delicious pumpkins. The future of pumpkin patch is eco-friendly innovations. Farmers are always looking for new ways to be eco-friendly. They are using technology to improve their practices. Some farms use solar panels to power their equipment. Others are finding ways to reduce water usage. These innovations help to reduce the environmental impact of pumpkin farming. The joy of giving pumpkins for a cause. Many pumpkin patches give back to their communities. They donate pumpkins to food banks. They also host events to raise money for charity. These acts of kindness spread joy during the fall season. They make a difference in the lives of others. A timeless tradition, pumpkins, and the spirit of Halloween. Pumpkins have been an integral part of Halloween celebrations for centuries. Their bright orange hue and unique shapes make them the perfect symbol of the season. As the leaves change color and the air turns crisp, pumpkin patches become bustling hubs of activity. Pumpkin harvesting is a beloved tradition. Farmers work tirelessly to ensure that each pumpkin is perfect for the season. The process of harvesting pumpkins is both an art and a science, requiring careful attention to detail. From the moment the seeds are planted to the day the pumpkins are picked, every step is crucial. It's a time for families to come together. Walking through a pumpkin patch, families can bond over the simple joy of selecting the perfect pumpkin. It's a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature and each other. The laughter and excitement of children. As they search for their ideal pumpkin is truly heartwarming. It's a time to celebrate the fall season. The vibrant colors of autumn leaves, the cool breeze, and the sight of pumpkins scattered across fields create a picturesque scene. People dressed in cozy fall attire add to the charm of the season. It's a time to appreciate the beauty of nature in the changing seasons. From picking out the perfect pumpkin to carving jack-o'-lanterns, the activities associated with pumpkins are endless. Carving pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns is a creative and fun tradition that allows people to express their artistic side. Whether it's a spooky face or a whimsical design, each jack-o'-lantern is unique. Pumpkins bring joy to people of all ages. The simple act of holding a pumpkin can bring a smile to anyone's face. Decorating pumpkins with paint, glitter, and other materials is another way to enjoy the season. It's an activity that can be enjoyed by both children and adults, making it a perfect family event. So, this October, visit a local pumpkin patch. Pumpkin patches offer a variety of activities beyond just picking pumpkins. Many have hay rides, corn mazes, and petting zoos, making them a fun destination for a day out. Supporting local farmers by purchasing pumpkins from their patches also helps sustain the community. Create lasting memories with family and friends. Taking photos in the pumpkin patch, sharing laughs, and enjoying the simple pleasures of the season are moments that will be cherished for years to come. The joy of spending time with loved ones in such a beautiful setting is truly priceless. Embrace the spirit of Halloween. Dressing up in costumes, decorating with pumpkins, and celebrating the spooky season are all part of the fun. The festive displays and decorations add to the excitement, making Halloween a magical time for everyone. So grab a pumpkin, get creative, and enjoy the spirit of Halloween to the fullest.